Okay, this is Karl F. Rose reporting live from Bedford, Pennsylvania on February 3rd, 2014. And as you can see, the snow is really coming down. So far, I would say, take a look at that car there. I would say we've got probably close to 3 inches from overnight so far, starting at midnight. And we're going to probably end up, the forecast was about 3 to 6. I think we're going to end up with probably about 6 inches today. And I got to go out and do my monthly shopping today. And I'm waiting for my ride to pick me up. And this is just going to be, fortunately, I don't have to go very far to do what I have to do. And but I'm out of food. I need to get some food today. So my ride is just going to take her time to get here. And yeah, as you can tell, let me zoom in a little more and look at some of these power lines here. And this is a concern. Those power lines are really getting weighted down by the tree. Hopefully the power doesn't go out, because that would suck. Okay, well, that's all for today. God bless you. God bless where you happen to be. God bless the country you happen to live in. God bless America. And be sure to take care of your loved ones, especially even your pets. Get them out of this. If they are outside, bring them in. Have a good day.